Oh, Claire, what we're going to do next is to catch and throw the beanbag. And so what I'd like you to do is to stand like the Eiffel Tower and have both feet pretend they're stuck in the mud. Don't let your feet go duck feet like mine are, quack quack, or pigeon-toed. Try to have them side by side, not with one foot in front of the other. And to keep the weight balanced, try to keep your body balanced on your right foot and left foot equally, not forward on your toes or back on your heels. But we're going to throw the beanbag underhanded. We're not going to throw it overhanded like pitching a softball or a baseball, but I want the beanbag or t-ball, but I want you to catch the beanbag, and I want to catch the beanbag that you're throwing to me. And so I'm going to be looking right here because that's where I want the beanbag to go. I want you to catch it right there. What I'm going to do is swing my hand behind my body, palm up, swing it behind, and then swing the arm straight out, stop the hand in midair, open up the fingers when I let go of the beanbag, and point my fingers right there because I want the beanbag to go right there so you can catch it. So here we go. Let's try that. Ready? Here we go. Good catch. And we can count how many in a row that we can catch without dropping it. Go. 2, 3, switch hands, switch to your left hand. 4, and try to stand straight and tall. 5, switch hands. I like this kind of beanbag because it's 6 inches by 6 inches. It's somewhat floppy. It's easier to catch and grab. It's harder to catch and throw a cornhole bag. But what we want to do is catch and throw the beanbag. So here we go. I forgot which hand we're doing. Good catch. And try to stand up straight and tall without leaning forward. Again, pretend that you are the Eiffel Tower and stretch your arm out to point your hand, open up your fingers and point your fingers to my belly button because you want the beanbag to go right here at my belly button. Good job. Good job. All right, catch and throw. Switch hands. Good job. Claire, you're doing this really well. All right, Caleb, are you ready to catch and throw? Did you hear the instructions? You have to stand like the Eiffel Tower. Try to keep your toes parallel like railroad tracks, not out like a duck, quack, quack. Try to keep the weight balanced, right foot, left foot. And I'm going to come up towards you. Try not to lean on your right foot. Try not to lean on your left foot. Try not to lean back on your heels or forward on your toes. But try to be as balanced as you can. Did you hear what we were saying with Claire? To catch and throw the beanbag, throw it underhanded. And I want the beanbag to go right there so that you can catch it. And so I'm going to be looking there. I'm going to pretend I'm looking at your belly button. I'm going to swing my hand underhanded. I'm going to have my palm up, my thumb out away from my body. And when I let go, I'm going to have my hand stop in midair and open up my fingers and point my fingers to your belly button. Are you ready? Is your body stuck in the mud? Pretend that you're stuck in the mud. Here we go. Do your best to catch it and switch. Yep, go. Underhanded, swing it underhanded, and stretch your arm all the way out. Stretch it all the way out. Thank you. That was a really good throw. Here we go. Here we go. And try to have your palm up. Thumb away from your body. Good catch. Good catch. And so this 6 inch by 6 inch floppy, I think it has soybeans in it. It's easier to catch and throw and grab. Every once in a while, we might have the individual put the beanbag on their head and walk around the room. But we won't do that now, but that's another good use of the beanbag. Then I'm throwing it somewhat with an oomph on it, and Caleb's doing this really well for the first time. And again, we're trying to work with catching and throwing with the dominant hand, with the non-dominant hand, and trying to keep the body stuck in the mud like the Eiffel Tower. Whoops, I'm sorry, I didn't say I was gonna. You did well. Good job. And so what's going to happen in time, he's going to have a lot better balance and movement and control, and we'll work on underhanded. Good job. Underhanded, swing it underhand, and when you let go, stop your hand in midair, open up your fingers, and point your fingers to my belly button. Here we go. I'm going to stop my hand in midair. Good job. Stop your hand in midair, because if you're looking up over here, if you stop your hand up in the air, that's where the beanbag is going to go. Here we go.